So hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we are gonna see how we're gonna create some t-shirt design with Midjourney. We are gonna use some t-shirt prompt to create some t-shirt ideas from Midjourney. So guys, at first as you can see I have already created some prompt for t-shirt. So at first let's see. So at first we're gonna check a mockup, like go to the Midjourney, just hit imagine and just paste like make mockup woman realistic on a Gildan 4000 mockup black, no writing or image on the shirt. So guys, we're gonna see, let's we can create a t-shirt or not. So I'm gonna hit enter. So to create some t-shirt ideas and t-shirt design, Midjourney right now is providing some outstanding t-shirt design. So let's see. So guys, I have just added a prompt like make mockup woman realistic on a Gildan's 64,000 mockup black, no writing or image on the shirt. So guys, as you can see, we have just created some image of a black t-shirt. I have just added a prompt like make mockup woman realistic on a Gildan mockup black, no writing or image on the shirt. This is really great. I'm gonna download this one. So I'm gonna hit. As you can see, you can use some simple prompt to create some awesome t-shirt design. Okay, so I'm gonna save this one. So I have to go for this one, like number 3. So I'm gonna go for U3. This is really great. You can add your own design in the t-shirt. Okay, so I'm gonna hit save. So guys, this is really great. Midjourney creating some awesome t-shirt ideas, t-shirt mockup design. So we're gonna check something new. Like I'm gonna add like ultra realistic, ultra engine empty black t-shirt. So I'm gonna copy this one again. Just come here and hit imagine prompt and just paste it. Like a simple prompt like ultra realistic Unreal Engine empty black t-shirt on male mockup. You can add like in wooden. Okay, this is a black t-shirt, so in white wall background. So I have just added like in white wall background. So guys, let's see how we are gonna create a ultra realistic Unreal Engine empty black t-shirt on a male mockup. So I'm gonna hit enter. So let's see. As you can see, there are other users, they are creating some awesome images from Midjourney. So we are talking about the t-shirt. Okay, so you can create some awesome t-shirt mockup design also from Midjourney. So in previous time I had created a mockup woman realistic. So now we're going to create something. So guys, just look at the design. Like it, I have just added a prompt like ultra realistic Unreal Engine empty black t-shirt on a male mockup in white wall background. So guys, this is the result and this is really amazing. So I'm gonna go for download all of the images. So I'm gonna hit upscale 1. So guys, as you can see, this is really awesome. You can add your own design and you can sell your mockup to Creepy, Envato. There are lots of marketplace you can sell these images like Adobe Stock and Creepy, then PNG Tree. So now I'm gonna go for the number 4. So I'm gonna hit U4. This is really great. This is really great. Okay, so I don't have to download any mockup from any other website, from Envato Element or any other website. I don't need to download from there because Midjourney creating something really wonderful. So guys, you can add a simple prompt like ultra realistic Unreal Engine empty black t-shirt on male mockup in wall background. So you can get this type of output. So I'm gonna check something new, like it says gangster werewolf hoodie. Okay, let's check this one. So I have collected some prompt to create some t-shirt design. So it says gangster werewolf in hoodie and baseball cap with the war fang gang in red. So guys, let's see how this will create a hoodie and a baseball cap on a gangster werewolf. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna hit enter. So guys, as you can see, so this is the prompt I have just created, like gangster werewolf in hoodie and baseball cap with the words fang gang in red, and this is the output. So if you want something like it, you can use this prompt. This one is really great. Also this one, so I'm gonna go for the upscale 1. So you can also use this type of design in your t-shirt. So I'm gonna save this one also. So this is really good. So I'm gonna check something new, like blank t-shirt mockup background copy space. So I'm gonna go for imagine and just paste it here like a blank t-shirt mockup background copy space. So guys, let's see creators. So let's see. I'm gonna hit enter, like blank t-shirt mock-up background copy space. So guys, let's just see. So guys, if you need some blank t-shirt mock-up background, so you can use just this simple prompt like blank t-shirt mock-up background copy space. So guys, this is really great. So I'm gonna hit the number 1 and also number 4. So I'm gonna U4. So just look at the design, guys. Just look at the design. It just created me a complete mock-up of a t-shirt, blank t-shirt design. Okay, so this is really great. So you can get the prompt from my video and you can create some awesome t-shirt design, blank t-shirt design and t-shirt mock-up design. So this is really great. So let's try something new. So I'm gonna download also this one. So I'm gonna hit upscale 3. So this is really cool. Like as you can see, a full white blank t-shirt. So you can add your design and you can sell these images to different type of marketplace. So this is really wonderful. So as you can see, I have created so many t-shirt design ideas like this one. Okay, you can use Midjourney to create some awesome t-shirt ideas, t-shirt mock-up design, and also you can create a blank t-shirt idea. So guys, thank you so much. You can create some t-shirt ideas with Midjourney. Thank you.